Now, is there any difference between a pre-approval and a pre-qualification in your?
I think I take every pre-approval as the same, but technically, which even it's not technically, sometimes we even call pre-approvals pre-quals, but people would say that a pre-qualification is sometimes when you get like a credit union or something, that's not as official, where it's just you're talking to someone on the phone and you're saying, hey, I make $100,000 a year, I have $30,000 in the bank, and my credit score is 700, and they say, okay, I think you're approved for 400,000. No one actually reviewed your doc. So if someone's, sometimes they'll even call that a pre-approval. So it's really up to you to know. Obviously, you don't want to waste your time. You don't want to waste the realtor's time or whoever's time. Make sure that someone actually reviewed your documents, ran it through the underwriting system, the program, DU or loan or LP, and confirm that this is actually going to be a doable loan.
I know it's a big the pre-approval process. We're having that pre-approval, from a realtor standpoint. A lot of real estate agents aren't going to take their client out there with a pre-approval letter. But again, I do think it's important that they understand the difference between that pre-approval process instead of just saying, hey, this is what I'm approved for, especially as quick as homes are going these days. I mean, 1 and 2 days on the market is what I'm seeing, and it's just, people want to have that process complete. How long is a pre-approval good for? How long does it last?
Good question. I get that a lot. And what I tell people is, as long as nothing changes, it's going to last as long as you want, right? As long as your income hasn't changed, your credit hasn't changed, the amount of money you have hasn't changed, let it keep going, right? Technically, within a pre-approval, credit report is pretty much the only thing that has the expiration. So you want to, it's about 80 to 90 days, because on the 90th day, we're going to start a contract and have 30 days left to close. But at the end of the day, as long as you spoke to someone and nothing changed, then it could last as long as you want it to.